So guys, welcome back to the channel. Montel Gordon here. Now today is a little bit of a different video. I don't normally do the whole vertical looking videos. Hopefully this is going to come out okay. I just kind of wanted to shoot this to give you like a behind the scenes kind of look at like my days and stuff, and just a little update on what I'm actually working on right now. So guys, in the last video, if you haven't watched that already, it's all about the up and coming course that I'm trying to release. And I've been helping a lot of people generate a lot of B2B leads, so a lot of business leads, because I know that going to Google, if you're in digital marketing or if you're in some sort of B2B business model, if you're an agency owner, you guys know how hard it is to go and build a list of 100 businesses with their phone number, names, email addresses, Facebook accounts, all that information. Well, I actually figured out a system. If you guys didn't know this, I'm pretty sure you do by now, but for those who haven't watched the previous video, which I released about 2 weeks ago, I basically figured out a system where it allows you to basically pull thousands of leads from like places like Google, Yelp, those sort of places like business directories, and then put them into a list for you all automatically within a matter of minutes. Literally, it's super quick. I can literally build a list of 1,000 businesses in like 10-15 minutes, if that. That's on a slow day with my slow ass Wi-Fi. If you guys know me, I'm literally living on a farm. There's literally a farm out there. So yeah, literally guys, this works anywhere in the world, by the way, if you're wondering. I've taught it in Australia, I've taught it in everywhere you could think of. For those who are actually wondering about if this is going to work for you, yes, even if you're new to social media marketing, it doesn't matter, because the first thing you're actually going to learn when it comes to starting a social media marketing agency is, going out there and finding businesses to reach out to. Now, if you're new to social media marketing, this is going to be a perfect course for you, because I'm going to show you the most efficient way to go out there and find thousands of businesses and have them on a sheet for you, all organized, so you can actually reach out to them via Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, if people still use Twitter, or you can cold call them or anything, or there's all different types of outreach methods, which I'm actually going to talk about in the actual course. So guys, if you're wondering if this is going to work for you, if you're in a different country to me, the question is, do you have Google? If you have Google in your country, you have access to the internet in your country, yes, this will work for you. And guys, if you're wondering how much this is going to cost you guys, it's actually going to cost you 0 pence and 0 pennies, because the system that I actually developed works on certain different softwares in conjunction with each other that allows you to do this for free without having to go and spend a bunch of money on those super ridiculous expensive softwares. So guys, I'm super excited to announce that I've actually just put together for you a free case study video that you can actually go and watch. This is literally like a behind the scenes, because in this case study, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of the course. So guys, the course that you guys are going to learn about, that I'm actually releasing very soon, it's probably going to be out in a week. Well, the beta group will be out in a week's time, something like that. You're going to learn all about the course in that video there. There's going to be a link in the description, so if you want to check that out, feel free to do so. But basically, this is going to be a video all about the course, what's in it, what you can expect from the course, how it actually works, what the modules are. Again, there's 7 modules in the course, so it's not just about some trick about trying to automate your lead sourcing. There's way more stuff in there, such as automating LinkedIn, automating leads from Google, Yelp. I'm teaching you how to organize your leads. I'm actually going to teach you, and this is something that I wanted personally when I was first starting SMMA, like daily workflow. Like, what do I do when I actually jump on my computer? Do I go straight to my computer and how many people do I reach out to? Do I send one email one day and then another email another day? Or do I send like an email, then I call them? Or do I send like an email and a Facebook at the same time? I'm going to show you how to structure your whole agency, how to organize your whole agency. I've actually got a couple modules in there just based all around structure, organization, and planning, actually planning your outreach. I'm actually going to show you how you can plan your outreach based on what your goals are. So for example, if you want to build a 6-figure agency, or if you just want to get your first client, how much outreach that's actually going to take you to do in order to actually land a certain amount of discovery calls, and those discovery calls are going to then churn out a certain amount of clients for you. So guys, I've actually broken this sort of stuff down for you so well, in fact, that you guys are going to be able to come through this course, know how to, you know, find and source thousands of leads within a matter of minutes. I'm actually broke it down so well that you guys are going to know how much outreach you need to do per hour to hit your daily goal. Then because you're going to hit your daily goal, you're going to hit your weekly goals, and your weekly goals are then going to accumulate over time, and you're going to hit your monthly goals, like how it works, basically reverse engineering. So guys, if you guys are interested, I'll leave the case study inside of my description in my on my YouTube channel. So all you got to do is click the link below, go sign up to that, go watch that. It's going to tell you everything you need to know behind the scenes. So it's actually a behind the scenes type of video, not so much a case study, but you're still going to find value in it. I promise. There's already been a lot of people going through this. Like, there's a lot of people going through this right now, guys. I'm talking, I woke up this morning expecting, you know, in fact, let me backtrack. I actually released this just on my Instagram story. And within the first 2 hours, nearly all 20 spots were gone. 14 out of the 20 spots were gone, or something like that. Don't quote me. So guys, what is good? I'm sporting the Cousins brand right now. But just to give you an update, I finally got the case study out for the beta group of my course. The official beta group is out. You can go and reserve your beta spot. Guys, literally, I've literally just, here's the crazy thing, let this focus up. Guys, check this out. It is Friday, 9:33. I just finished DMing the people who, you know, said they were actually interested. But guys, here's the craziest thing. 11, I repeat, 11 spots. 11 spots have actually been taken already. I've not even released this live or anything yet. So if you need to get to this, you guys need to get to this quick. So the link's in my bio, just saying you guys. I think it was 14, like 12 or 14, or maybe even 16 or something like that. But guys, there are only 20 spots inside the beta group. Now you're probably wondering, what on earth is the beta group? Basically, the beta group are the people who are going to get in this course first. These are the first people that are actually going to get in the course. I only want around 20 people in the beta group, and the beta group basically is going to consist of a small group of people that are going to basically go through this course and give me feedback on whether, you know, whether certain videos come in certain order and that actually makes sense. So basically going to see the structure of the video, basically like a test run before I actually release the course properly. But here's the kicker. The people who actually get into the beta group are going to receive a huge 50% off discount. And it gets even better here, guys. So the people who actually get in the beta group at the 50% discount, I actually have plans for this course right here. So SMMA, Lead Sourcing Alchemy, the course, that's the course name. I have plans for this course. I want this course to be one of the, if not the market leader on, you know, structuring your agency. I actually want this course to be the market leader on, you know, this sort of stuff, actually automating your lead sourcing, because I know that's super tedious to copy and paste business details. My arm's getting tired here, guys. But guys, I actually want this course, like I said, to be the market leader on this sort of stuff, and I have plans for this course. So here's what's going to happen. The people who get in the beta group only have to pay one time, and over, you know, a couple of months, maybe a year, I'm going to be adding more content in. The course is going to become increasingly better over time as I get better as a SMMA business owner, and I'll be putting all my strategies, techniques in there. And of course, as the course gets better and better over time, the price will probably start increasing as well. But for the people who get in the beta group, again, there's only 20 people allowed in this group. There's only 20 seats that I'm keeping this to. But the people who do get in the beta group at that 50% discount only have to pay that one time. So they pay it one time, and that is going to last them a lifetime. So their membership will remain with them for a lifetime. Even if the course ends up being a $1,000 course in the future, they will stay in that course from just the price they paid alone originally, as a thank you, I guess. So guys, without any further ado, I'm going to end this video here, but you guys can definitely go and check out the case study on how to build 1,000+ business prospects in your niche from almost any website without spending any money on software. So make sure you guys go and check out that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.